नीचे कर बीच में देखो बेटा, बीच में देखो, नीचे रखो।
Roger, announce land on station, sir. Because sharp lookout, bad visibility.
It is indeed a historic moment for India when the first Indian-built indigenous aircraft carrier completes her first sea trials, and we are going back to Kochi after 5 days of trials at sea. This has been in many ways many firsts. This is the first aircraft carrier that we are trying out at sea. It is the first one that we designed. It is the first sea trial in which we have been able to go to full speed. The entire power of the ship has been is gone up to full power trials just in the first sortie of 5 days. We have managed to complete the basic machinery trials of the ship, equipment such as the steering gear, the lube oil systems, the fuel systems, the power generation system of the ship has been proved, the air conditioning system of the ship has been proved, all the basic seamanship equipment which we call in the Navy, things like boats, davits, all the ancillary seamanship fittings have been proved at sea. Even more importantly, I think we've been able to complete the initial landing trials of 3 helicopters, the Sea King, the Advanced Light Helicopter, the indigenous ALH, and the indigenous Chetak aircraft. These 3 have been completed. So today we are going back with a great sense of satisfaction. This has been possible only with a very dedicated team effort, with everybody starting from Naval Headquarters, which gave us the entire guidance, down from the Chief of Naval Staff to the Southern Naval Command, which organized the entire administrative effort and the training effort for this sortie. The warship overseeing team, most importantly the Cochin shipyard, which built the ship, and they've got a huge team on board here. The trials teams that are there, the workup teams which have trained the crew, the various OEMs of the various equipment that are fitted on board. Today we have 1200 people on board, of which more than 700 odd people are from the OEMs and CSL alone, which includes 6 ladies on the ship. That has been another first. There's no other ship which had 6 ladies on board which sailed for trials. So it has been a big team effort, and I must compliment everybody on behalf of the Indian Navy for this entire effort which has resulted in the successful sea trials. Yes, you're absolutely right that India can now join this exclusive club of countries which can design, build and operate aircraft carriers, and I'm sure that by early next year we will also be able to fly our indigenous light combat aircraft along with the MiG-29Ks once the flight deck and the flying equipment, control equipment which is required to be installed gets ready. So an exciting time lies ahead for Vikrant and for Indian Naval Aviation, and I think we need to all look forward to the next phase of trials. But this current phase of trials has given us a huge boost, and I'm sure that this will speed up the process of commissioning of the carrier immensely in the months ahead.
So that will be the future course of action?
Yes, so the future course of action now that when the ship gets back is to complete the rest of the outfitting of the ship, to install the flight control equipment, to complete the painting, the various completion, the paneling of the compartments, etc., the habitability part, and to finally outfit the ship, do all the minor things that are required to get her ready. Thereafter we will have to start with the flying trials, the most important part, when we get the MiG-29s to land on deck. We have already done the helicopters, so I think that will be the future, and we are hopeful that by the first half of next year, all going well, and if we continue at the same pace, we should be able to complete all that and then commission her as early as possible.